Today I'll be doing the final wrap up of our Prevent Hair Loss Challenge and my final length check, so stay tuned for today's video. By the way, y'all, can I just discuss two things? My plant is thriving, number one, and number two, take a look at my beautiful hair. Today I'll be doing our recap of our Prevent Hair Loss Challenge and my final length check. So let's get into today's video. Hello my Happy Nappy crew, it's Nani Nappy, and y'all, I am so excited because this is our concluding video of our 12-week Prevent Hair Loss Challenge. And y'all, I'm gonna just do a brief recap of the weeks and do my final thoughts and my length check. And y'all, I can already tell you that my hair has grown, it's thriving, it's definitely gotten longer. And even though the point of this challenge wasn't necessarily focused on hair growth, by using the consistent herbs, we were definitely going to grow some strands. So let's jump into it, okay? So this challenge focused on fighting hair loss and different forms of hair loss. And week one was all about scalp detox. So we used our bentonite K and kaolin clay and used this mask along with our rosemary and peppermint essential oil down the length of our strands to help unclog our pores, give ourselves a nice detox so that any herbal treatments that we use during the week would actually be beneficial and take effect. Now, even though the challenge wasn't focused on protective styles, I definitely encourage you guys to do low tension styles on the hair follicles so as to not stress them out. And this week I did 2 buns with some twist bangs. Week 2 began our deep dive into androgenic alopecia, which is the cause of male and female pattern baldness. It's a result of having excess DHT build up on the scalp. So we use my Moringa Almond Gloss Bar and my DHT blocking oil that helps to fight that DHT related hair loss on the scalp. It's rich in all of those vitamins, and it's really good for those who are suffering from any type of vitamin deficiencies, providing that nutrients and blood circulation and encouraging hair growth to the scalp. And we ended this week again in a side twist bun style. Week 3 and actually week 5 were the same. We made our DIY hair loss tea. We focused on herbs like green tea, ginkgo, and amla. We learned in that video that ginkgo is a vasodilator, which means it helps to dilate those blood vessels, encouraging more blood circulation and potentially prolonging that growth cycle. Also, the green tea help with those who are suffering from thinning hair. It also has DHT blockers and helps to fight inflammation. And we ended this week with a bun and bang style. Now week 4 was all about our Amla Fenugreek Neem or our henna gloss bars. Those provided strengthening properties and had anti-inflammatory properties, help fight dandruff and dermatitis and any type of scalp inflammation. And you guys, this week I actually combined my gloss bars together, used that mask, and then ended it with a side ponytail with bangs. Week 5 again is the same week was the same tea we made in week 3. Again, that ginkgo green tea and amla. It helps to fight that oxidative stress, helps to block DHT, and then we put our hair in twist pin to the side. Week 6 we used my hibiscus moringa and amla gloss bar. That was said to help fight DHT, that CCCA, and traction alopecia, providing all those vitamins, nutrients that you would need to help stimulate hair growth in those areas. And this week we did a side bun with some cute bangs. Week 7, we focused on the DHT blocking tea. This had your fenugreek seeds, this had green tea, this had amla. This week we really focused on those suffering from alopecia areata, androgenic alopecia, scalp inflammation, and we used that tea periodically through that week and gave ourselves a nice scalp massage to really get those benefits and nutrients into our hair follicles. Then I finished up that week with a cute Fulani inspired bun and bang style. Week 8 and week 11 were actually very similar. We used my DHT blocking oil. This has ingredients such as fenugreek seeds, green tea, amla, pumpkin seed oil. Now in week 8 I actually showed you guys how to create a DIY DHT blocker, but a lot of us already had the oil. We used the oil. We know it has a ton more ingredients like the pumpkin seed oil, the apricot seed. You also have grapeseed oil, a lot of oils that can penetrate, and 9 other herbs that really help to not only block DHT, but also to help stimulate that scalp, strengthen hair follicles, fight inflammation, and help fight a number of causes of hair loss. Week 9, we focused on my hibiscus aloe fenugreek gloss bar. This gloss bar was great for those who were suffering from traction alopecia, CCCA, because it really helps to improve damaged cells on the scalp, which is really important if you're suffering from any type of scarring type alopecia or traction alopecia where those follicles may currently be inactive. Week 10, we brought back our DHT blocking tea. Again, that had the fenugreek seeds, it had the green tea, it had the amla. Great for those suffering from androgenetic alopecia, alopecia areata, those suffering from inflammation on the scalp, which causes hair loss as well. And this week I did a stretch wash and go. And it's crazy though, because I really feel like I love the combination, but I did have quite a bit of flakes, but that was the style for the week. Week 11, we brought back the DHT blocking oil. Again, if you didn't have it, you could have made the one from week 8. A lot of you guys have the one I already have. Again, it's really great for those suffering from alopecia areata, CCCA, androgenetic alopecia, traction alopecia, due to all the rich vitamins and nutrients and amino acids and fatty acids found in the oil that really help to strengthen and stimulate those hair follicles. Now, that week we ended our hair with twist and a side bun, and then week 12, which was last week, I did my Rasul and Kaolin Clay mask as a final detox, which really helped to nice gently cleanse the scalp without stripping out all of its vital nutrients and delivering a lot of nutrients such as the silica and magnesium, things that were necessary for having good and healthy hair growth and good and healthy and strong hair follicles. I finished that week again with a cute half up, half down style. I'll insert the clip here. Now, the real reason I'm sure y'all are here, y'all, is for the final length check with my hair. I just want to first show you guys what my hair actually looks like, because I feel like my hair is getting thicker, and I believe that is due to the activation of follicles that may become inactive over time. Yes, also doing a slight blowout style also creates more volume in my very fine strands. So just take a look at my hair. Like, y'all, it's giving everything I want it to give. It's been so long since I've seen my hair this length, because I always generally cut my hair, but I am working to let it grow. So let's get into the length check, okay?
You just tell me.
Okay, you guys, so that is my final results of the 12-week challenge. Let me know if you guys are interested in any future challenges and what you would like them to be. Leave your topics down below in the comment section, and then we'll vote on them eventually in my Facebook group, which is also linked down below as well. But thank you for joining me. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how your hair thrived, or you had any questions about the challenge. You can share them here. You can also share them in my Facebook group if you want a more private experience. But that's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.